the channel, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell, like. Man, I'm just looking for Derice, man. We're good to go eat some breakfast. It's gonna be a beach day. I didn't know I had him wait for like 30 minutes. I'm not taking this, man. I don't know why I'm taking that do-rag.
My man, vlogging today?
You know that. What up? What up?
Making the newest YouTube channel.
What you doing? What are you saying?
Get out of my mind.
Doing well.
Good. Good. How you doing?
Good.
Thank you. You guys already ordered? You guys are rough.
Yeah, no.
Just water.
No, you would come.
Pizza after this? I gotta go home and get my stuff. I forgot my shirt.
Yeah, I want to eat. I gotta go home too.
You guys have the same
You just borrow one of your shirts. Who?
You guys have the same shoulder.
Oh, we got big shoulders.
We both have really big shoulders.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to eat for lunch.
What's up, young man?
So I got what you got. But you didn't tell me you were getting oatmeal?
I told you.
Oh, he said that?
You're still getting all
No,
of
he didn't.
this.
I think he told you oatmeal.
Did he?
Yeah. I told you to exchange that.
Yeah, that food was good, man. Hey, don't sleep on Smitty's. Damn, it's hot. So I'm gonna go change my shirt and I'm gonna meet up with Derice again soon. Try to talk him into bringing the dog. I was hoping TV's was coming though.
TV's hates the water.
Really? Bro, I'm about to get lit tonight.
Gracie! I'll watch her if she comes.
I mean, Storm crazy.
Gracie's so good.
Storm is a f***ing nut.
And she doesn't even use a leash.
Gracie is great dad. Hey, you think it'd be tough if I put my beer in here? A greedy setup. Where Ty get a spot at?
Where you get a spot?
Where you get a spot at, you man? Where's Nikhil at?
What he answered for? What you made him answer for? Where the bag at, bro?
I don't know where that came from. So this is my host.
Don't put that down.
Bro, like, you brought the raggedy ass brought the oldest towel. You brought the worst towel you had.
That was like a sheet though.
I just wanted something.
You a chicken nugget tester?
So you don't say thanks. You just say I got a raggedy towel.
I appreciate the thought, but like,
It's the color too. It's just like
but this is happening.
You rude, bro. But why wouldn't you take this towel?
Bro, you rude for bringing that towel.
It don't even look that bad.
Bro, yes it does.
That fella wearing truck clothing right now, you man. You don't look at him, you man. Look. That fella with the baby, you man. He got truck clothing on now, you man. He got the shirt, you man. The pattern shirt.
No, you don't.
The one that goes trap. I swear to God, bro. Why you laying on the sand, bro? Come get bad and bougie, bro. Get bad and bougie, bro. Derice, you took me towel, you man.
And that was my main towel, so give it back anyway.
I sneezed on it.
I don't care. No towel, no blanket.
I don't need that blanket.
Stop!
Derice, give him the towel, you man.
I'll throw the stuff in the water.
Derice, give him the towel, bro.
Eventually.
Derice, you ready to get in the water, bro? I'm ready.
They're all ready.
This man's ready. That a video. Derice, you full?
Really chuck that in there? Wow, okay.
This man brought a cool shot, Derice.
That's not mine.
Damn, brought a cool shot. Now you're trying to say it's not even his.
It isn't.
The girls down here calling me small waist, pretty face. Derice, ain't that something?
Yeah.
That's a compliment, eh? Where you drive more?
Where am I driving, man?
What kind of car you got? my boy got a Porsche.
Yeah.
He said, are we still on?
We're not about selfies in this household.
That's a video.
Oh.
Hold on, wait, take one more.
Take one with you.
No, take it with yours. Someone can pay homage to that cool shot. Ernie, I know you film like a celebrity. Bro, I ain't lying. You can pay homage to this towel, bro.
Did you lay on your towel?
I laid on it.
You take your towel back on you, man?
But I'm not taking it.
Why you not taking your towel back on?
You can pay homage to that.
You got a couple too old for fits here. From head to toe, literally. Hat, from your hat to your feet. I'm surprised that like, yeah, you guys like the only black people on the beach. You guys like probably 5 other people. 5 other like groups anyway. Shit.
I ain't lying, I was hoping to see Winston though.
Not my boy that if I knew if I would have depended on him, would have been here by myself.
You got room.
Me, though.
You got room.
My boy can't shoot though. I knew room would come through for sure. Your buddy, your word is all you got. That's all you got.
You said last night you said last night he might come.
Once he say you might come, I knew he wasn't coming. When you say might, when you use words like might and try and stuff, that means no. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. That means I'm gonna see. That means yeah. No. I'm gonna see. Somebody said, yeah, I'm gonna see on the way back up. I know they ain't getting nothing. They already know.
Yeah, right here, the red one?
What one? This one?
Tried to give me the red hat I was in. Nah, I put on the red one.
Wait.
Fuck. Oh, I'm sorry.
You'd been singing in the club, you man.
Now I wish I would have done
You won't sing it right now. Sing I Get Money. Sing amusement pack. Sing I don't know anything.
like hot, man.
Body, man.
You hot, bro. You burning up, bro.
I've been wanting to fall asleep in the sofa for so long.
So this was a dream for you, bro.
Almost.
Here's my leg. Man, drooling all over the dash. Bro, yeah, give me an ice cream sandwich, bro.
Come on, Tiggy.
Am I taking Tiggy?
Tiggy, what door you going over?
Yours. Put him up.
Tiggy a monster. Why you didn't come to the beach, buddy? Cause why?
Cause why?
Because Derice always tries to drown him.
No, I didn't try to.
Car burning up. Well, this vlog probably ain't over yet. It's Anthony's birthday tonight, so we might go to the campground. And I didn't drink that cool shot. Don't listen to me, I was not lit. The beach gonna pay homage to that cool shot. Somebody drink it out.
20 minutes later.
Damn, it looked like I put the ring. What up, Noel? Yeah, I'm just gonna go get something to eat with Derice then. But yeah, I might go get some Naruto food. Hiya! What you doing? Get in the car. What you show you? Get away?
Yeah.
Close the door, you man.
My bum's wet.
Get in, you man. Get in the car, you man.
Okay.
Man, can't even get in the car. Where your brother at?
He's in the house.
Oh.
Can I have it?
Hold it, man. You gonna watch my videos?
You don't watch my videos.
Hey, tell them like and subscribe, bro.
Like and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.
And share.
And
Tell them share, bro.
And share.
My boy. Come downstairs. I'm sipping on
Calm down.
You said calm down. I'm gonna pull up in style. Come on, let's see what they got in the fridge, man. Come on. Let's see what's in the fridge, bro. What's the fridge saying, cuz? You man, what's that? Oh, what that, shrimp? That shrimp, you man? What is that, you man? What is it, bro?
It's poop.
Let's do a taste test, bro.
Okay.
Put the camera on. What it tastes like? Tastes good? Got that fire, ain't it? What this, you man? A wrench?
Yeah.
What you be doing with this? You know how to use this, bro?
Mm-hmm.
What you do with it?
I'm not telling you.
Well, you not gonna tell me.
No. Where are you going?
I'm going with bro.
Can I come?
Keep it recording, bro. Oh, you gotta ask bro.
Louise!
Come to the car and ask him, bro. Come on.
Louise! Louise!
Put the camera on. You gotta be a vlogger, bro.
Oh, look at you with those camera skills.
Louise! Can I come? Can I come? Can I come?
He's telling you no. Oh, hey, Ty said he parking there. Move up.
Hey, can you put that stuff in the trunk?
You told TV tonight? Oh my god, TV, come. Oh my goodness. Derice, what you doing? This man put his shoes on and all, you man.
We're going to Halifax, you man.
Huh?
Oh, we're going to Halifax, buddy.
Can I come?
Next time.
Can I come eat
You need to be.
with
You need to
guys?
be. You need to be 12 to go to Halifax.
Can I come eat?
You can't type. You can go on my Xbox though. Xbox, boy.
I love you.
I'm gonna finish but 3 shoes, you man. Derice, I ain't lying. Don't be letting them boys use you for drives, you man. But,
Don't worry.
I ain't lying. I'm happy you brought me over here. I like to eat like Naruto, bro.
Yeah. That's a good spot to go to too. I don't know.
Where we going, up there, you man? Ain't we going right there?
No. It's over there.
This food good?
Have you had ramen before?
Not real ramen.
Ramen's good.
Ramen
Hey, no,
noodles.
Mr. Noodles is great.
Derice, what do I want to?
Yeah, you pick from me again.
I want some real Naruto shit, bro.
Tantanmen. I'm gonna get karage. I don't know which one you guys want, but this is the more spicier ramen.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get that.
Well, then I'm getting the same thing you got because that's what I did last time.
Derice, what do I want?
You probably getting the same thing.
You said karage?
Yeah, that's some chicken. Tastes real good.
Then I'm getting that in karage, bro. You got me the wrong one?
We got the wrong one.
Yeah. So the one that Naruto has a whole bunch of like pork strips, but this is like sliced up pork.
So this ramen not from Ichiraku?
No.
You know what? I'm actually not that mad over it because last time I came here with that exactly the one we were supposed to get, like the pork ones or whatever.
Yeah.
There's 75% of it's like pure fat. It's disgusting. I had to nibble around it. It was just gross.
Oh my god. Derice, that food was crazy, bro.
That food was crazy. What?
That you car over there, right?
My car, real my car. Hottest car on the block. Just that blue car right there.
I find like when you have a blue car, it makes your car look like
What you doing tonight?
Your phone.
Come down here with me, bro.
What do you mean, dude? They like an hour away.
Holding the boonies, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call you tonight.
Alright, you don't talk?
We might link up later, bro. Alright. Oh, and I forgot to say, this kid was throwing sand at the beach. And then one of it just hit me in the eye, right? So I started giving him this look. like that kind of look, right? So he looked away. And I kept staring at him. He said, you ain't gonna stop throwing sand, you little boy? Then he said sorry and turned his head like this.
3:28 a.m.
Thanks for watching this whole video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, all that jazz. Tuffaluffakiss out.